Welcome to our channel. Hi, everyone. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects all of us, understanding the common mistakes that can make people dislike us. Whether you're trying to improve your social skills or just curious, stay tuned as we explore these pitfalls and how to avoid them. Let's get started. First up, being self-centered. It's easy to get caught up in our own lives, but talking too much about ourselves can make others feel undervalued. Remember, conversations are a two-way street. Show genuine interest in others by asking questions and listening attentively. Next, poor listening skills. Interrupting others or being distracted during conversations can come off as disrespectful. Practice active listening, put away your phone, make eye contact, and truly engage with what the other person is saying. A negative attitude can also push people away. Constant complaining or gossiping drains others' energy. Try to focus on positive topics and solutions instead of dwelling on problems. Lack of empathy is a big one. Insensitive remarks or ignoring social cues can hurt or offend others. Always try to put yourself in their shoes and consider their feelings before speaking. Arrogance is another common mistake. Bragging about achievements or acting superior can alienate people. Stay humble and appreciate others' accomplishments as well. Inconsistency can make you seem unreliable. Failing to keep promises or being hot and cold with your actions can confuse and frustrate others. Strive for consistency in your words and actions. Invading personal space can make people uncomfortable. Respect others' physical boundaries and privacy. Always ask before touching someone or prying into their personal matters. Excessive criticism is a major turnoff. Constantly judging or offering unsolicited advice can make people defensive. Focus on positive reinforcement and constructive feedback instead. Dishonesty can destroy trust. Even small lies can be damaging. Always strive for honesty and sincerity in your interactions. Finally, lack of consideration can alienate others. Acting selfishly or failing to show gratitude can hurt relationships. Always be mindful of others' needs and express appreciation when it's due. There you have it, 10 common mistakes that can make people dislike us. By being aware of these behaviors and making small changes, we can build better, more positive relationships. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends.